what do astronomers do? Well, besides basically look at the sky, right? So the idea is that you observe the universe, observe what's out in space, and then apply physics and the basic principles of science to figure out what that stuff is. So to me, what's really amazing about it is how much we can just by looking at at an object that's billions of light years away, and collecting a handful of photons, being able to actually figure out the physics of how these intricate systems work on these incredibly vast distances and these incredibly vast time scales. So basically, look at the sky and try to figure it out is what astronomers do. Well, right now I'm a first-year graduate student, so a lot of my job currently is learning. So I spend a lot of time still doing classwork and learning how to do research and learning the fundamentals and learning the basics. I'm also working on a project where I'm basically analyzing data from a spectrograph that's used in extrasolar planet detection. So trying to actually find planets around other stars. I'm a little bit different because I'm a bit older than the average grad student. So I had actually, if you'd asked me when I was 11 years old what I wanted to be, it was an astronomer. I've always been fascinated by space and interested in astronomy. But when I got out of high school, I kind of lost direction for a while, and so I ended up going back to school and pursuing astronomy. So it's I mean, I can't actually think of a time in my life where I wasn't just absolutely fascinated by space. And so I'm also like a big science fiction fan. So I grew up watching Star Wars and stuff, and Star Trek and stuff like that. So that always kind of fueled my imagination. So so I've always wanted, when I was real little, I wanted to be an astronaut. But when I got a little bit older, I said that probably more realistically, I should be an astronomer. So I've kind of always wanted to be an astronomer. Typically, like how most people spend their free time, going to movies, playing on the internet, watching TV. Since I moved to Florida, I've really gotten I got like a pass for Disney World. So I've been going to Disney World a lot, which is a lot of fun. So that's that. I guess that would be my most recent hobby. But all kinds of things. I'd like to do more kayaking, but on the very small amount of free time I have.